world where witches are around your place. But, Uncle Cable, you'll be safe because don't tell, it's a top secret where they are. But you have to not tell them, your friends. Only your sister or your brother, or your mom or your dad. And tell them it's a top secret. But where they live is in a tower. Some of them are nice and some of them are bad, but they make people die. And that helps them. Make them die. If they want to die, it's okay. And if one part's dead and the other's not, then the witch helps them get that part dead. And if that's good, that's where witches live sometimes. Witches all around the world sometimes, but you will be safe as long as you don't go there.
Go where?
Go where witches are. I tell my mom, my dad.
Okay. Thanks for this public service announcement from
Rachel.